Starting a cable recycling business can be highly profitable, but many newcomers face challenges in sourcing the scrap cables and finding reliable buyers for the separated materials. Let's break this down. The first challenge: where to source scrap cables. There are a number of ways to source scrap cables for recycling. Here are some common options. 1. Local scrap yards and recycling centers. These places often receive large quantities of scrap cables. You can partner with them to purchase or receive discarded cables. 2. Construction sites and demolition projects. Cables are commonly found during construction or renovation work. Many businesses are willing to get rid of cables during site cleanup, and you can step in to collect them. 3. Industrial and commercial businesses. Many industries regularly discard or replace outdated cables. Establishing connections with factories, office buildings, and other commercial entities can be a reliable source. 4. Online marketplaces and auctions. Websites such as eBay, Craigslist, or specialized scrap metal platforms often list bulk lots of used cables for sale. But for the second challenge, where to sell separated copper and insulation plastic. After you've processed the cables using our cable recycling machine, you'll end up with two main byproducts: copper wire and plastic insulation. Here's how you can sell them. As copper is one of the most valuable materials in recycling, so finding buyers is generally straightforward. Some of the places where you can sell the copper include: 1. Scrap metal yards. Many scrap yards specialize in purchasing copper from recycling businesses. You can contact your local scrap yard or find specific ones that focus on copper purchases. 2. Refining companies. Some companies specialize in refining raw copper and may buy directly from you. Industrial buyers. Manufacturers and companies that use copper in their production processes might also be interested in purchasing the copper in bulk. For the plastic or rubber insulation separated from cables can be sold to: 1. Recycling companies. Some companies specialize in processing plastic materials and turning them into reusable compounds. 2. Plastic waste management firms. There are firms that recycle industrial plastics, including those from cables, into new plastic products. If you choose to purchase cable recycling machine from our company, we don't just sell you the machine. We're here to support your entire business. We can recommend trusted buyers for both copper and plastic insulation, ensuring that your materials are sold at the best prices. Additionally, we help guide you through the recycling process, making sure you maximize your profits and ensure the highest material purity. If you're ready to start your own cable recycling business and need more guidance, or if you're interested in purchasing our machine, contact us today. We'll help you set up, connect you with the right buyers, and ensure you're on the path to success. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable insights on the recycling industry.